Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and I just want to come to you with a couple of coupons that I found in my inserts today. That I'll probably be using at the Dollar Tree. We don't have that many, but we do have some, so I'm just gonna go over them. On the top is Steak and Shake. My cousin loves Steak and Shake. She live for these coupons, so I'm gonna save one. Ain't no Steak and Shake close to me, but I'm gonna save them just because I might run up on one. All right, let's see what we got here. Nutella. They sell Nutella at the Dollar Tree. Let's see. Okay, you gotta buy Nutella and you gotta buy a box of Aunt Jemima mix. I don't know if that's gonna work. I never seen Aunt Jemima at the Dollar Tree, but if you have that, you use it together and you're gonna save $1. Campbell's soup. Let me see. 1 pack of Campbell's soup. Slow kettle style soup, 7 ounce or 2-pack. I never seen these at the Dollar Tree. I seen them at Walmart, but I haven't seen them at the Dollar Tree. But if you see them at your Dollar Tree, it's save $1 on that, so they'll be free with that coupon. They have Kotex there, but they have the liners, not the tampons. I don't think that coupon is valid. I never tried that coupon at the Dollar Tree on their liners. This 75-cent Viva coupon, it works on a single paper towels. I used it one time. So if you got Viva at your Dollar Tree, use that coupon. It'll be $1 for a roll of paper towels with that coupon and a scan. Okay, so here is our usual. They're not $1 off too. They done went down. They bogus. So it's like save 50 cents when you buy 2 boxes. So you'll pay $1.50 for 2 boxes of the Nature Valley, which I like the Nature Valley. The same thing with the fruit roll-ups and the Mott's one. I like the Mott's ones, actually, the strawberry ones. I like those. And then I never seen these there, but if you got those there, they'll be $1.50 for 2. I seen some of this red gold diced tomatoes there one time. 60 cents off 3. That's okay. If you got them there. It really ain't no good deal, but it'll be okay. Mucinex. I haven't seen Mucinex in a couple months since I hauled it a couple months ago. But if you got it, use that coupon. It'll be free if you got Mucinex at your Dollar Tree. I've never seen Delson. This dollar coupon, let me see, on any Colgate Total. Nope, all those are less than 3 ounces. So I don't think those work on that. I've never tried that coupon, but those other ones work with this coupon. I've never tried it on the ones that's less than 3 ounces. Revlon. Almay, people been hollering like this Almay product that they selling at the Dollar Tree. If you have that at your Dollar Tree, it's like a brow tint. It comes in like a little mascara brush. So this one is $2 off. If you use that at the Dollar Tree, it'll be free. I don't know which one it'll qualify for. Is it a face product or an eye product? We know it's not a lip. And that's for the makeup remover. So it's going to be one of these 2 coupons you can use at the Dollar Tree. I don't know if it scans. I've never used it. I'm on the lookout for them. So if I see them, I'm going to use this coupon, let you know if it works. They don't sell that. None of that, none of that, none of that. No Fisherman Friend. This coupon, they have this Healthy Balance juice drinks. They sell it at the Dollar Tree. So if you have this coupon, it's $1 off any 2. So they'll be 50 cents a piece with that coupon. So I don't know if it scans. I won't know until I go either tomorrow or the next day. But I'll let you know. But it'll be 50 cents a piece for 2. I've never seen that. Airborne. They have Airborne at the Dollar Tree. It'll be free with that coupon. I haven't seen Airborne in my Dollar Tree in a while. But if you do, it'll be free with that coupon. I've seen this product at the Dollar Tree before. $1 off any two. So they'll be 50 cents a piece with that coupon if you have them at your Dollar Tree. I'm going to see if I have it in mine. I haven't seen them in a little while, but they do sell those every now and then. Those sponges. What is this? Scorch Bright? Scotch Bright? Yes, they do sell that. No Tylenol cold. I seen some Clairol. Let me see. 2 boxes of Clairol. I'm gonna check and see if it's $5 off. I had to try it. I seen Clairol in my Dollar Tree in another Dollar Tree I went to. So if you have those small boxes of Clairol hair dye, those would be free with that coupon. Dollar General. I can't wait to go back to Dollar General. Alright, so this is the Retail Me Not. Let's see what's in here. Maybelline. I've never seen Maybelline. L'Oreal. Oh, I seen this Feria. What does it say? Hair color. $5 off any two. I seen the Feria products actually. So $2 off. I can't even read what that say. Any one. So if you have that, it come in like a white box. I think it's like it tints your color, your hair like pink or blue. If you have blonde color hair, so that coupon works on those Feria boxes that they sell at the Dollar Tree. It'll be free with that coupon. I never seen L'Oreal Eleve. I usually take those to CVS. No L'Oreal. Fructis. No Garnier Fructis. I never seen those. Whole blends. I have seen a little whole blends, but the coupon said it excludes the Care Cream mask. I never tried it on the mask. I think I did, and she typed it in. So I don't know if it scans. But they do have the little ones, but it said it excludes that. But I don't know if it scans or not. No Persil, soft scrub. No, I haven't seen those there. Haven't seen those there either. M&M's. Save $1 when you buy any 2 M&M chocolate bars. We do have these at our Dollar Tree. I gotta see what ounces they are. I'm not sure what ounces. But they'll be 50 cents a piece with this coupon if it works. No, never seen CeraVe. I've seen these bagging strips actually there. It's buy one, get one free. So if you have these at your Dollar Tree, it's buy one, get one free. Like I said, I've seen them. I don't have any animals or pets, so I don't really mess with the dogs and the cat stuff because I don't know really if they have it at the Dollar Tree or not. Sometimes I see it when I scroll through it, like this Dental Life, $1 off 1 pouch of Dental Life dog treats. I seen that there, so that'll be free with that coupon if you got that at your Dollar Tree. No tag coupons. Wah. Burt's Bees. I never seen that there. Okay, let me see. Robitussin. Advil. Okay, so with this Advil coupon, it'll be free with this coupon, the Advil that sells. This is the exact one. This is the exact one they sell. This one right here. So sometimes they let it go. They go ahead and use it because it says on any one Advil respiratory product, and I think this is the one that they have at the Dollar Tree. So most of the times they'll just go ahead and key it in for $1. I'm not sure if it scans or not. I can't remember. I remember it beeping, to be honest. They always have to adjust that one down to $1. So that'll be free Advil with that coupon. This Barilla pasta is back. The coupon is back. So it's lower though, 55 cents off any 2 boxes of Barilla blue pasta. So 2 boxes will be $1.45 for 2 boxes. So if you have that at your Dollar Tree, use that coupon. Alrighty, and that's the end of the coupons that's in the Retail Me Not. Now I'm going to go through some of my coupons that I haven't printed out on coupons.com now. When I come right back, I'll show you what I got on my coupons. Alright, so I'm on my coupons.com app. This $off3 cereal. That's the get the Captain Crunch cereal. They have as a printable coupon. Yo Play, 50 cents off 5. They make them 90 cents a piece. They got the Nature Valley coupon printable if you don't want to get in your inserts or haven't got it in your inserts. They selling this Mars Wrigley confectionery chocolate. I seen some bags of it at the Dollar Tree. I just don't know if it has any exclusions on it. So if you have they selling these dollar ones at the bags at the Dollar Tree, use that coupon. Godiva, they sell that. I haven't used that coupon lately to see if it scans, but they do sell that at Dollar Tree. They'll be free with that coupon. Palmer's, they only sell the trial size Palmer's. I've never tried that coupon to see if it worked. They don't sell Eucerin. Gold Bond, they only sell the trial size and the Gold Bond too. And it's not valid on trial size, so. Maybelline, Clearasil, L'Oreal, Garnier, no Aveeno, no Lubriderm, Arm & Hammer, no. Scrub and Bubbles cleaning product. No, they only got the toilet bowl cleaner there. Clairol 2 boxes. That might work. I don't know. They did. I think it's Clairol. That I'll print it out and see if it works. Airwick. Any 2 Airwick products. Let me see. Oh wow, $1 off any 2 Airwick products. So the Dollar Tree does sell Airwick. So if you print out this coupon, there'll be 50 cents a piece with this coupon once you print it. So make sure you print that coupon to get you some free Airwick freshener. Room freshener. I don't know if they have anything else other than a room freshener. Bayer. I've seen Bayer there before. It'll be $1 off. Oh, well, it's a product 50 count or larger, so you can't use that. It's less than 50 count. Airborne coupon again. It'll be free with that. Zyrtex. Alka-Seltzer Plus, they did sell that there. I haven't seen it in a while. But if you sell Alka-Seltzer, it'll be free with that coupon. The dog food and cat food, I'm not sure about. Okay. So, that is... Did I go through the... Yeah, I went through all of it. Alright, so that's it with coupons. Make sure you watch my Trick Off Tuesday so you can see what coupons work and what I got from the Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you watch all my previous videos, all my Trick Off Tuesdays, my Mad About This vlog, and all my previous videos. Make sure you watch that. And I'll see you in the next video. Hecky no, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.